If you want to transform your organization, you need to understand the climate of employee opinion in your organization. We have toolage that I developed with some colleagues at the Chamber of Mines research organization in the 80s that's specifically concerned with understanding the climate of employee opinion. And that toolage looks at three core variables. It looks at the issue of trust in management. It looks at the issue of problem-solving roles. In other words, who do people go to when they have a problem at work? And it also looks at the issue of sources of information. Where do people get information from? With using this toolage, we came to a number of really surprising insights when we were doing this research at the Chamber of Mines. The core variable that seemed to be the significant variable that accounted for the difference between sick and healthy climates was the issue of trust in management. And at the time, the literature also seemed to agree that that was the case, that if you wanted to have a healthy climate, you needed to have trust in management. What we found is that you very often had very healthy trust in management on operations where all of the conditions, the physical conditions in the operation, were really bad. Very poor hostels, in other words, hostels with very primitive facilities, very poor conditions underground because of the age of the mines concerned. We worked at other mines where the facilities were very good, where the mines were comparatively safe to work in, and people did not trust management at all. The critical variable that you have to come to grips with when you're trying to fix a culture is that you have to come to terms with the relationship between the boss and subordinate at work. So in a sense, the climate of employee opinion helps you to understand the political context in which the relationship between boss and subordinate plays off.